just wanna make a little something, something you could get ready to. Damn, look at you. Look at you. Damn, look at you. Look at you.
DJ Ill Will.
I just wanna make a little something, something you could get ready to. Damn, look at you. Look at you. Damn, look at you. Look at you. Now all my girls getting ready right now. Don't ever be afraid to get wild. I was thinking just a little something, something for women in my city getting ready. They could bump this. Even the ex-ones that I'm still in love with. Swear to God I still be running into them at functions. I'm on that shit you knew, man, can't fuck with. Intelligent gentlemen never put up with the dumb bitch. I used to date them, now I hate them, couldn't shake them off. Same bitches at every party, yeah, fucked them all. Just shut up and get ready, honey. I'm just headed towards the money, wondering if it coming. Regarded a little higher than your boyfriend is. Why he's always getting mad up on some boyfriend shit. Man, I kick it even when they say the place closed. You wouldn't know, you probably hang out where the lanes go. Singing the same songs to all of the same hoes. She's ready to leave home, she's thinking I'm way dope. I was thinking, I just wanna make a little something, something you could get ready to. Damn, look at you. Look at you. Damn, look at you. Look at you. I just wanna make a little something, something you could get ready to. Damn, look at you. Look at you. Damn, look at you. Look at you. Shit, I'm ready to drink. And if you wanna come along, we could intervene. I don't think I've ever mentioned you on magazines. Shit, all the women getting sick of just flicking the bean. Washing all of the bed sheets couple times a week. I'm getting ready for whatever, you know what I mean. Load a bowl up in the shower, just smoking some weed. Mascara with your hair was really all I need. Oh, damn. Look at you. That shirt is never cut as low as you wanted it to. That booty's always shaking, making me want it to move. It's like she's going downtown with something to prove. And with this album coming out, I got nothing to lose. To all the women getting ready, I made it for you. I call them soon as I'm finished with video shoots. Inviting all of them over, I love them in groups. I was thinking, I just wanna make a little something, something you could get ready to. Damn, look at you. Look at you. Damn, look at you. Look at you. I just wanna make a little something, something